So let's try some more. Let's do. How do you feel about naming acids?
I've never tried it.
Never tried?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's start off with this. There's two names for this.
Hydrochloric acid?
So yeah, you've got this. So this is hydrochloric acid. It has another name as well.
Would it be There's something weird about hydrogen when you throw hydrogen on something.
Right, and so that the hydrogen does the weird thing with, it's not necessarily the hydrogen.
Bichloric acid?
This would just be hydrogen chloride.
Hydrogen chloride?
Mm-hmm. Because if we follow the covalent rules, we have numerical prefixes, but they're both one, so we can just forget that.
So let me write these. I'm going to keep track of these rules so I can practice this at home. So covalent rules are...
First of all, the definition is a nonmetal with another nonmetal.
Okay.
And then we use numerical prefixes. We also have the ending in IDE.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
And then ionic.
Ionic has no numerical prefix.
Okay.
We need to do Roman numerals for transition metals. And it's with a metal and a non-metal. Let's see. That also ends in IDE. Real quick, just in the last minute, for acids, if there's no oxygen, then there has to be hydro in the front. Hydro. So that's why this is hydrochloric acid.
Okay.
And then if we did Cl or HClO, that would be chlorus, or it would be hypochlorous, or I can't remember which one it is, but we would get rid of this. And there's different prefixes for the acids based on like polyatomic ions, because most of the polyatomic ions are going to be acids when they just have the hydrogen out there.
Mm-hmm.
So like H2PO4, so this is phosphate, so this is another good rule, so 8 endings, so phosphate. As an acid, because there's an oxygen in here, we don't do hydro, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so this would be phosphoric acid. So 8 goes to ic. And so does ide. So ide and 8 go to ic acids. That makes sense? Ic ending.
Ide and 8.
And so like, for example, this was hydrogen chloride, but it became hydrochloric acid. And so ide and 8 end with that. And then if it's ITE, if it's an ite, then it ends in OUS. So like nitrous acid, if we were using nitrite.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.